Hey guys, it is 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 5:25 a.m. So, hold up. I forgot to tell you guys that I bought a computer and it works now, but we don't. But I'm not using it. Second. Okay, so guys, so if you guys want to check out my channel, just press my profile, okay? True. School is useful. Don't go to school.